Hello and welcome. My name is Daniel Schmidt and I'm a certified facilitator for the LEGO Serious Play method since 2025, trained according to the curriculum of the Association of Master Trainers. I'm based here in Frankfurt on the Main, Germany, and specialize in consulting the sports industry as well as small and medium-sized organizations and enterprises. Many of you who are interested in the LEGO Serious Play method or have just completed their training as a facilitator might be interested in what to expect if they decide to make this somewhat larger investment in the Identity and Landscape Kit. So this kit is primarily designed to support application techniques 1, 2, 3, 6 and 7, focusing on individual models, shared models and shared landscapes. I just got mine, so let's do this! We're unboxing the LEGO Serious Play Identity and Landscape Kit. By the way, in a separate video, I will then take a look at the Connections Kit, which essentially is the sister kit of this one. As the time of this recording, the LEGO Serious Play Identity and Landscape Kit has the article number 200430 containing 2,808 pieces. Let's open this big box up. So here we go. Basically, it is a wonderful mixture between, as you can see, LEGO Duplo bricks, the bigger ones. Very colorful. But also like the normal size LEGO bricks. For example, have a look at those basically green 2x4 bricks. We got some ladders, got a little shark, a spider net. Here's another sharky. Let's see what we got here. We got some more Duplo stuff. And like a little, let's call it a little mountain, little rig. Some more of this stuff. Then let's return to the Duplo part. You can barely see it, but here is a tiger in there. And some ladders. And maybe you can see it, like a little decorational thingy. Like a worker, construction worker. Here's some more LEGO Duplo stuff. I can see traffic lights, I can see another worker, I can see a child. I can see a bag inside the bag, which might be the very popular elephant, which is in there. And we got many little figurines. So here's the one issue I have with this collection. It is that some of the stuff need to be pre-assembled. So that means basically, of course, the little figurines, you can sort them up, put them on display, wonderful. But there are also some skeletons and whatnot that need preparation before you can use them. So keep that in mind. This is not a kit you can open up at your first training or facilitation event and use it right away. It needs a little preparation. And for this preparation, you should calculate some time. Maybe like, I would say half a day, maybe 2 or 3 hours. So some more LEGO bricks. Classical LEGO stuff. We have some LEGO trees, LEGO horses, dogs. We have some LEGO gold and money and coins. Even more money and coins. Got some wheels and whatnot. Some bridges and whatnot. Some more bridges and whatnot. Then we have a lot of base plates. And even more base plates. You can see them. Blue ones and grayish ones. We have little flags. We have like very small items like those transparent bumpers. And we have some more Duplo stuff. No, here's the elephant. The elephant is right here, very popular item. When participants try to build and metaphor their models, the elephant is always in the room. Some more Lego stuff, like regular bricks and whatnot. Here's some small parts, a huge bag of it. You can guess now why this takes like some time to set it up. Then you got those trays. Those trays are basically a nice idea, but they come without any cover. So that basically makes them useless for transportation, because if you put all the small stuff in here and sort it out, well, that's nice, but once the bag trips or something, everything falls out. So you gotta find a solution to cover this up, otherwise it's useless. We got a lot of tires for vehicles or for whatever idea the participants come up with. And we have a lot of base plates. And with this, wishing you a wonderful build every time. Good luck by using your LEGO Serious Play Identity and Landscape Kit. Goodbye.